Good morning, students. Previous class, last 10 minutes did not display this PowerPoint in your screens. So today I have to start with tackling problem faced by women. As we had been learned that the women facing various problems, mainly in workplaces, how to tackling. First, education campaign. Second, training for managers. In workplaces. Next, acceptable professional workplace behaviors. Diversity training. Compliance committee, as we had been discussed in last class. Every organization should be organized or set up compliance committee. Then create appropriate working conditions. No hostile environment. Mainly socio-psychological environment should be pleasant. Socio means this people interaction. Then psychological means thinking of people and psychological factors should be concerned. The employment, this managers should be motivate the woman to do better and create pleasant environment for women employees. Then do not work late hours except in secure situations. Participation of women at all level of management, including top level management, middle level management, as well as low level management. Then providing safe pickup and drop facilities, mainly in hospitals, hostels distance. Then maternity leave. Every organization should be provided. Now maternity leave is a primary basic rights of every woman. Then provide daycare facilities for working women, for care give to their own child, and promote breastfeeding. Then performance rating. Every organization should be rate. For example, how much done. Women may have more skill than men in some areas, mainly in soft skills. Then explanation about violence against women. First explanation is that unequal power relations, which means man is, woman is subordinate to man. So that concept should be eliminated. Should be provide equal right in every level, in family level, in workplaces, etc. Then sexuality. Students, sexuality is a primary factor. In various this setting, in various cultures having different. Then cultural ideology, different belief, different values, mainly non-material cultures as well as material cultures, mainly customs, traditional habits. Some habits may be discriminate women rights. Then violence against women versus health. First affect physical health, injuries, then mental health, stress, depression, then social well-being. In various places, women suffer from social disabilities, not allowed to speak, not allowed to participate in various settings. So these are these healthcare issues for women. Then unintended pregnancy, as we had been learned, these teenage pregnancies or unwanted pregnancies which cause these severe health effects on women. Then STD, HIV, AIDS, PS, PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorders, harmful use of tobacco and drugs. Look at this. Violence against women has serious health consequences. Economic impact. Look at these pictures. Death, physical injuries, unintended pregnancies, sexually transmitted diseases, depression, PTSD, and harmful use of tobacco, etc. This was posted by World Health Organization. Way to reduce violence against women. First, legal representation. Every woman need to aware about what are their rights and how to protect their rights, how to use law. Then gender equality in school level, from the school level. Educate the children's how to respect other gender. Next, end focused early marriage. End forced early marriage. Then greater attitude to violence. Greater attention to violence, which is very important. Already we have discussed. Every woman need to attend to yourself, awareness yourself to protect yourself. Mainly we know that what are the places having violence against women. Mainly we are women need to this careful about the alcoholic persons and drug addicts. That persons may be lost their control and violate the woman. Mainly sexual violences. Then revise marriage laws, protect human rights. Next, Role of nursing to prevent violence against women. Nurses doing fundamental role, family health nursing, and visit every families, identify the woman issues, and try to solve it. Family welfare program. Aim of family welfare program is that promote women welfare. Then community health nursing. Every communities setting in villages, rural, urban, and identify the community culture. Any culture harmful to women, try to eliminate and promote the healthy culture by the nurses through community health nursing. Then public health nursing is also doing vital role to protect human rights and eliminate violences. Then female infanticides and female feticide. Female infanticide means systematic killing of girls soon after the birth. An infant. Look at this. Save girls. Next, female feticide. Definition: termination of life of a fetus within the womb. Ground that sex is female is ethical evil. Abortion and gender bias. Stop female feticide. Next, reasons why female feticide and infanticide. First reason is that expensive. Then ceremonies, marriage ceremony, air boring, mainly puberty ceremonies, so expensive that's why. Mainly poverty. Next, dowry system. Social causes. 4 social factors according to 1991 studies. Unwanted female babies. Avoid. Escape from disgrace. So this is one of the important factor. The people feel that female child may cause disgrace. Next, limits family size. Then dislike deformity. Next section, prostitution. Define prostitution: practice of habitual sexual union or mercenary. 3 million sex workers. Types: street, brothels, red light district in big cities, escorts, residence or hotel room, sex tourism, travel from for sexual intercourses, virtual sex, online cyber sex, etc. Causes of prostitution. First cause is the economic factor, poverty. then industrialization, urbanization, then lack of family, social control, which is very, very important, family disorganized, or social control, lack of religious control, or immorality. Then lack of moral teaching, this already we have discussed. The maximum of prostitution started from childhood prostitute. The children don't know about a particular practice, right or wrong. After matured only they identify that. Then overcrowding, etc. Then prostitution and personal disorganization. First, sexual disorders. Women, HIV/AIDS, sexually transmitted diseases. The women suffer greater personal disorganization than men. Widespread disorganization of community. Then preventive measures, banning prostitution completely. In India, prostitution is a crime. Then rehabilitation, rehabilitate the prostitute, mainly in cities, Chennai, Mumbai, Calcutta. Then educational opportunities. Then employment should be need. Then affirmative action. Affirmative means administrative measures. Some law difficult to work in some places. That time should be take administrative measures. Then online prostitution prevented by Operation Big Daddy in Kerala in last government. Then legislative measures should be enact strict laws to prevent and rehabilitate the prostitutes. Then legislations. First legislation, Bombay Prevention of Prostitution Act 1923. Second, Madras, Chennai, Next, Bengal, which means Calcutta. So 3 mega cities in India. It's separate places in district having red light area. So this is a legislation prohibit prostitution or prevent prostitution. This law having some provisions how to rehabilitate the prostitutes and promote well-being to women. Then legislation related to certain social customs. Custom means traditional habit. Bombay Devadas Protection Act 1934. Then Madras Devadas 1947. We know that is a concept, Devadasis. Each families, they offer a girl to temple. That girl called as Devadasis. They do some work in the temples and practicing prostitutions. So this is a legislation to protect the woman from evil. Look at this, some pictures. Devadasis. Evil practice from the childhood. Then rehabilitation measures. Psychological rehabilitation, physical rehabilitation, economic rehabilitation, qualitative. And integrated, poverty alleviation, housing, etc. Mainly in India, poverty alleviation as well as psychological rehabilitation is essential. Then prostitution and health affect physical health, mental health and social well-being. Normal society does not accept the prostitutes. This is socially disabled. Then role of nurse to solve the problem of prostitution. Students, the nurse who is working in UH, urban health centers, doing a vital role, mainly in Chennai, Mumbai, Calcutta, educate the prostitutes, try to rehabilitate the prostitute from the harmful practice, and care give to prevent sexually transmitted diseases, mainly HIV/AIDS, and implement various the government program which is offered by state government as well as central government. Students, next section, HIV/AIDS and social implications. We know that HIV, there is no medicine to treat. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Look at this. I know that this is a HIV virus, the parts and chemical bonds. We had been learned in microbiology. Then history, first reported June 5, 1981. Center for Disease Control, CDC, US. Epidemiology, 33.2 million people live with HIV according to 2007, nowadays reduced, including 2.5 million children. Estimated 2.5 million newly infected, including 420,000 children. Current scenario, that is 2000 and UNAIDS estimated 42 million. 16,000 persons are being infected every day. According to 2000, 80% infection through unprotected intercourse. This is a sexually transmitted disease. Then signs and symptoms of AIDS. First symptom, pulmonary. Pneumocystis pneumonia. Second, gastrointestinal, chronic diarrhea. Next, neurological. Next, tumors or cancer. Then other infections, low grade fever, Now, pathophysiology already we know that. Look at this. How that virus affect the human body. Pathophysiology is very complex one. AIDS has depleting CD4 plus T lymphocytes, weakened immune system, allow opportunistic infection. T lymphocytes are essential to immune response. Look at this. Acute HIV infections, every parts, mainly lymph nodes. Look at this lymph nodes. Then liver, spleen, esophagus. Causes sexual transmission 80%, then blood product in hospital through hospital injections. That's why nowadays we have been using disposable syringes, then parental transmission, mother to child. Then diagnosis. WHO disease staging system. Second diagnosis CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Third method is that HIV test. We need to know about WHO disease staging system. Stage 1, asymptomatic. Stage 2, respiratory. Stage 3, unexplained chronic diarrhea. Stage 4, toxoplasmosis. So why the reason is that immune system decline due to depletion of T4 lymphocytes. So that time first, which is first contemplates our body to environment, respiratory system. So first affect respiratory system, which cause various respiratory issues. Next only this digestive system cause diarrhea, etc. About 1 in 4 new HIV infection is among youth age 13 to 24. Basic facts about HIV/AIDS, students. So this is a facts. Is only transmitted through sexually intercourse, blood, and sharing needles, and mother to infant. Another matter, for example, toilet sharing, and be faithful. Sharing toilet or mosquitoes does not infect. Way to prevent getting infection is that these are the measures. Mainly do not share needles, etc. Then prevention. Prevent unprotected sexual relations, body fluid exposure, mother to child prevention by using some medicines available nowadays, Neverpin. Then education, educate the people. Education is very important. Prevention to prevent the HIV/AIDS. Mainly educate among youth, college level, school level. Then management, antiviral therapy. Then complementary alternative medicines. Then social medicine. If prevention is best, for prevention, social medicine is first. Educate, create awareness, change culture, and modify behaviors. As well as in this time of, look at this, society and culture. Stigma is a major phenomenon In HIV/AIDS, the society does not accept optimism, rejection, discrimination. If any person affected, family discard. Then economic impact. That no job, no institution give any job to that persons. Then religion and AIDS. Various religious institutions having welfare measures for the HIV/AIDS persons. Then denialism. Then government reaction. For example, Indian government having various programs, AIDS control board for every district and every state level, central government as well as directly involved to prevent this HIV/AIDS and rehabilitate who are affected by that disease. Then role of nursing on HIV/AIDS. Care, cure, prevention and implement HIV intervention program. For example, in school health program, college health programs, nurses educate the young people how to prevent HIV/AIDS, etc. As well as in clinical level, care give to the HIV patient, AIDS patients, as well as pathological test, etc. So next section we will learn next solution to social problem we will learn next section. Now questioning time. Welcome back. This section start with solution to social problems. So this is a main aim of study of society, of study of sociology. Last 11 units as well as different types of social problems we had been learned. Why? To solve it. How to solve these problems? Going on. First, hurdles, which means what are the resistances to solve these problems, social problems. First problem is that problem not accepted. The people don't know about particular behavior or particular culture is issue or not. What is the meaning of problems? Some habits or customs. So people not accepted, not aware regarding social problems. For example, child labor. Then do not want to think scientific inquiry. Next issue. The various social problem by means of various planning, but they do not use any scientific inquiries, scientific evidence, which cause the hurdles. Then most important hurdles is that money problem. Having program, people accepted, people identify the problems, but cannot solve that problem due to lack of fund, Next most is that implementation. Government formulate a program, central government as well as state government. For example, immunization program. That program is difficult to implement all over. For example, fund for a particular program, 1 lakh rupees in villages, but maybe in more money need for other places, in urban places. Then government formulate a strategy. That strategy is not fit for every sections of population. For example, tribal, rural, need different planning and programs. So next is major risk is that or issues that implementation issues. Then Herbert Spencer, father of English sociology, first is that laissez-faire philosophy. According to him, every individual take their own decision to solve their own problems. So there is solve the problem in the society. Second, education. Knowledge is first. If we have knowledge, we can solve easily. Then religion, kingdom of God. Mainly Christians, we have been pray every day, kingdom of God come into earth. So that religious point of view. Then scientific study. Every problem should be studied scientifically. What are the facts there? And try to solve that problem. Then methods. Students, nowadays in our society, in the world, 4 methods are available to solve the social problems. First, social security. Second, protection. Third, planning. 4, welfare. Detail going on. Simply keep it in your mind: security, protection, planning, welfare. First, social security. What is meant by security? Security means secure or people from the social issues. Definition: government provides monetary assistance to people with an inadequate or no income. One of the example, social security. For example, if some particular portion of people there is no job, the government provide money as well as other incentives to search job or create job. Next, Universal Declaration of Human Rights said that social security is asserted in Article 22, Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Everyone as a member of society. Next, has the right to social security and entitled to realization. Then, through national effort, international cooperation, then social and cultural rights, indispensable for dignity. So this is according to international terminology on social security. Then types of social security: old age pension, family pension, maternity benefit, sick leave, disabled benefit, employment security, retirement benefit, and dependent benefit. Dependent means, for example, a person working in an institution, child is dependent, wife dependent, etc. Second, social protection. Students, this is a new concept. Social means society. Protection means protect the people from the social issues. UNDP nowadays formulate a website, socialprotection.org. There, number of social protection measures implemented and having that knowledge added in that website. I became a part of that website. I have become a content ambassador in that website. So I have some knowledge about social protection. I had been working in the particular region, in South American region, and collect various information added in that website. What is social protection? Consists of policies, programs, reduce poverty, vulnerability, promote efficient labor market, and enhancing their capacity to manage social risk, unemployment such as unemployment, exclusion, sickness, disability, and old age, etc. Keywords: policies, programs to reduce vulnerability, promoting labor markets, enhancing capacity, social risk, unemployment, etc. Types: social assistance, cash transfer, social pensions, in-kit transfer, which means economic and livelihood asset transfer to household. For example, the food grains supplied to every families nowadays, free food grains. Then public works programs, mainly employment program. Then social protection programs: first, assistance, transfers, cash transfer, in-kit transfer. For example, family allowances. Subsidies, first program. General subsidies. Subsidies means reduce the money and affordable to people. Educational subsidies, educational fee. Then food, fuel, electricity, housing, non-contributory, mainly concerning health insurance. Look at this. Then transport, social support. Then social insurance, disability insurance, funeral, health, maternity, paternity. Paternity means for fathers, not only mother. Then old age, unemployment. Then work injury insurance for promote job security. Then education, environment, climate change, financial education, which is very important, food and nutritional security, gender, growth. Next, labor market program. Product inclusion, cash for work, food for work, purchase from small holders, then sustainable livelihood, training, unemployment, wage subsidies, and microfinance. Microfinance means every individual holding, family holding, etc. Then social planning. Before that, I would like to ask question. Is social protection prevent social problems in the society? Yes. So these all the social protection programs can prevent the people from various social issues, including away from poverty, away from illiteracy, and job promotion, etc., etc. Then social planning. Third, definition, development of program designed to accomplish predetermined objectives for society or segment of society. Keyword, program having predetermined objectives. Next, contemporary social planning is unpredictable. Contemporary means existing social planning. First, complexity of the problem. For example, poverty is a issue, social problem, which is caused by one factor, multiple factor, familial, educational, economic, political. So which is first. Second, number of peoples involved. Then cost, money. Then through going changes, unpredictable changes. Then methods and approaches. Some methods not fit for the society. Then aim of social planning. Closing the gap between, which is first aim, material culture and social institutions. Second, continuity of human evaluation. 3, equality of workable blueprint, which means a program satisfy every sections of the population, every sections of the population. Next, difficulties of social plan. First, emotional raw material. Emotional raw material means human beings only implement the program. Second, so human limitations are there. Second, scientific study lacking. For example, public work or public program going on. A program is finished, other program may become, the previous program may be tried to destroy. So every sector together and scientifically design the program. As we have every day seeing in the road, road public work. Every department mining the road, different day. First day, water department. Second day, telephone department. People disturb. Then, lack of workers, mainly in healthcare. Doctors and nurses not like to work in villages as well as tribal places. And other demand for the nurses mainly nowadays to implement social planning. Then wasted interest, people lack of interest on particular social issues and solve the social problems. Then people not aware, they don't know about the planning. For example, educational programs, job creation programs. The many of the population are difficult to understand about it and lack of awareness. So these are difficulties of social planning. Then social planning in India. Planning Commission formulate programs. For example, educational, healthcare program, agricultural, rural development, urban development. So first 3 section is over, 6 method to solve the social problems. Can you name? Social security, social protection and social planning. Now we are going to social welfare. Definition. Social services, well-being of disadvantaged people. Who is disadvantaged? Child, woman and disabled. Example, blind, handicapped, etc. Next. The well-being of entire society. Not the same as standard of the living, but the quality of life. Factors such as quality of air, soil, water, social services, religious, spiritual aspect of life, etc. So which is business dictionary has been defined the social welfare. Then social welfare institutions. Planning Commission, Department of Social Welfare, Central Social Welfare Board, Ministry of Social Welfare. Nowadays, modern days, the social welfare concerned by ministries, state ministries and central ministries. Then role of planning commission. Government of India set up Planning Commission in 1950 to prepare plan for the most effective and planned utilization of country's resources. Keep the years which is asked in the competitive examination. Role Planning Commission set up. Is formulate program, allocate fund. For some example is there. Look at this. In first 5-year plan, spent 1.60 crore for social welfare. In sixth 5-year plan, 799.97 crores. Just imagine. So every 5-year plan, Indian government spent more money. Reason is that this is one of the way to solve social issues in our society. The Department of Social Welfare. In 1964, Independent Ministry. 1985, Social Welfare Programs. Coordinate welfare services, government, state, and national volunteer organization. Students, this is a very important one. So, social welfare not only concerning the government aspect, central as well as state, also the national level volunteer organization, NGOs, doing vital role to promote well-being in Indian society. Then Central Social Welfare Board, established in 1953, functions voluntary strengthening, improving social welfare. It's an autonomous body. Types of social welfare in India. First, women welfare. Second, child welfare. 3, welfare for disabled. 4, old age welfare. 5, welfare for vulnerable group. Example, minority group welfare. Harijan welfare, welfare for drug addicts, etc. So simply keep it in your mind that woman, child, disabled, old age, vulnerable. First, we are going to detail about women welfare. Define women welfare. Services concerned physical, social and psychological well-being of women. So this organization provides the services including state, political, voluntary, NGOs, etc. Welfare measures. We will be learn next class, next section. Okay students, thank you everyone, have a wonderful day.